When and why should you consider having inspections done prior to listing your house on the market? When and why should you consider having inspections done prior to listing your house on the market? In our area, it is customary for the buyer to pay for inspections. But when would it be advantageous for the seller to do them prior to going active? We don't always recommend this, but there are a few examples as to why having inspections done prior to listing is helpful. It can end up saving you time and money. Hi, I'm Tami Allen, your listing expert across the Greenville-Spartanburg area. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want any unexpected costs for you coming up that you weren't aware of. We've seen termite inspections result in thousands of dollars. Imagine getting a termite bill for $5,000, and the only way the buyer will buy the home is if it's fixed or paid for. But you've already purchased another home, and you need that money to qualify for your next home. This could create a huge problem for you. What about this? Let's say you found that the home you're selling needed a new roof or an air conditioning to be replaced. You can do a few things. Sell the home as is and disclose the issues, not sell at all, or take whatever needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior to listing is so there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want you, the seller, to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of your house. The inspections we recommend are standard, customary inspections that a buyer would do anyway, like the home, roof, and termite inspections. In most cases, you have the option to pay for these upfront or at closing, and it will usually cost less on the front end. In regards to the home inspection and termite, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure that all of the health and safety items are fixed, as well as the foundation, roof, and termite work, which includes damages and, of course, active termites. It helps the seller because they have much more assurance that they will actually net the amount they expected when going into escrow. It gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for unreasonable or outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on inspection time. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and they need every penny out of their sale to secure and close on their new purchase. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home that is move-in ready condition. Also, if there's a bank financing on the property, some loan programs require health and safety as well as major repairs be completed prior to closing escrow. And with that already being completed, there's further assurance that the loan will go through. As a result, the seller, buyer, and lender gain more confidence throughout the entire transaction, knowing the home will not be hindered to close. It gives everyone assurance during and after the close of escrow. Again, I'm Tami Allen, your real estate expert here in the Greenville-Spartanburg area of South Carolina.